This is the part that I always skip. I have to do a clean install because I put a PCI lock on my MS config file, and it's acting all screwy. So I decided to do a reinstall, and this is the part I always skip. I'm going to erase everything, and I'm going to erase all these partitions. I'm going to delete them till I get one unallocated partition. Then I'm going to let Windows I'm going to let Windows recreate them. What's going to happen is that, yeah, see how it says new? Oops, sorry. I'm going to delete this last partition. And I'm at new. I'm at new, as you see, and I'll show you what it is, but I'm not going to do anything with it. See, it's just asking you what size of allocated space you want, I think. And I'm just going to let that be right there at the max. Sure, you do that, Windows. You create So there it is. It's gonna create its own partition. That I always skip this part, and I'll get back to you with something else if I need to.